Welcome. After a long time, we have the Jordan 3 here again. In my point of view, this is the most comfortable silhouette from the Jordan Retro series that first appeared in 1987. However, this time it is a less limited piece called Green Glow, which came out now in April 2024 for $200 and is still available on the Sneakers app. Their upper is made of premium black leather and perforated gray suede. Inside the sole, we find a classic visible air unit for better cushioning. As for the size, I choose a half size smaller. Will you go get your pair? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.